I'm having my tea. You know why? Because we're getting ready for fall. It's time for Halloween. It's time for Thanksgiving. It's almost time then for Christmas. But before that, you have the pumpkin spice lattes, the pumpkin spice cake. And I'm gonna make a recipe that I saw on TikTok. Couldn't try to make it my own. Gonna see if I can do it. But I was like, oh God, yes. There's a recipe that I think I can do. It's gonna put me in the fall spirit. And it's a pumpkin spice dump cake. I need my ingredients. I don't know where they are. Yes! All right, so this is everything you're going to need. Very easy. 1 15-ounce can of your pumpkin puree, 12-ounce can of your evaporated milk, 1 box of your regular just yellow cake mix. You need this little fella. This is very important, the pumpkin spice. 2 sticks of butter that you're going to melt, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of sugar, some pecans. Don't forget our little chicken. We're gonna need 4 eggs. All right, see how fun this is, Jason? Aren't you having fun already? Aren't you getting in the fall spirit?
Where's your pumpkin?
Josh got a little tipsy the other night, and I don't know what he was doing, but he came home at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And he put the pumpkin on one of the pillars in the front of the house. I'm like, nobody can see that, it's very high up. Like, what were you doing? Doesn't this just look like appetizing?
That wasn't the word I was thinking of.
Actually looks like baby food.
Good job, Ty.
Ooh, okay. All right. Yep. So you have that. 1 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix it up. And then you're gonna add the eggs. But I think I'm gonna use my whisk for this. All right, now my best friend, baking spray. Pour this in your little pan. It's the best time of year. It's the best 3 months out of the year. All right, very important here. If you don't pay attention, right, because you're just so distracted, when you put this on top of your mixture that you just made, you do not mix it, okay? It lays on top like a nice blanket of snow. So now you just even it out. Do not mix, do not mix. Now, my little friends here, my pecans. Go to your home, go to your blanket of snow. The whole thing about it is that it's the crunch. When you get the sweet and the butter, you need the crunch. Now, manual labor, you gotta melt the butter. Come on, look at that, look at that. Now you drizzle your butter evenly. Everybody needs a little thirst. Again, 350 degrees, 1 hour. Okay, we'll see you back in 58 minutes with some dump cake. Pumpkin spice cake. TikTok cake. Bye. It smells like the fall. Smells like Thanksgiving morning. So whatever you have, this is when you can top it off with caramel sauce, which I'm gonna do because I like it. Or you can do Cool Whip, whipped cream, blah, 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 blah. Come on. Just have fun with it. So it's gonna melt. Now, I want the crispy part over here, I think. So I'm going to scoop. Look at that. Okay. Here goes nothing, right? Do we think it's gonna be good? It smells good, so here goes nothing. Come on, TikTok, what you got for me?
Make it
A little pumpkin, a little crunch, a little caramel. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say. It's so good. That's all I can say. I can say thank you to TikTok. I can say thank you to Betty Crocker for the cake mix. Thank you, Jesus. I mean, that was pretty easy, wasn't it, Jason? We put stuff in a bowl, we mixed it up, we baked it for an hour. This was a fun TikTok recipe. Hopefully other people in my house will eat this so that I don't come down at midnight and eat it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Comment about all this beautiful stuff you're seeing here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And if you have any fun family holiday recipes, send them my way because we're gearing up for October. October 1st, it's gonna be all holiday. October, November, December, and then I go hibernate again. So if you have anything, DM me, let me know. It's gonna be a fun next few months. That's it. So until next time, see you later, kids. Bye-bye.